Quail eggs offer numerous health benefits in a small package. They are small, but mighty when it comes to health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients. Rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, quail eggs are an excellent source of antioxidants, which help protect against cellular damage. They also contain beneficial fatty acids, which promote heart health. And their low cholesterol content makes them a suitable choice for individuals watching their cholesterol intake. In today's video, we will share how to boil your quail eggs perfectly. Remember, you can make your quail egg soft-boiled, medium-cooked, or firmly hard-boiled. But today, we will make hard-boiled eggs. Let's start. Bring a pot of water to a medium heat for boiling. Add the quail eggs carefully. Simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Now transfer the eggs to cold water to cool. Gently tap and peel the eggs. Enjoy as a snack, or use in other recipes. Hope this video helped you. If you like to see easy and delicious quail egg recipes, please consider subscribing. More videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching.